This is a must-read before ever using turmeric again. While adding turmeric to your diet is a sure way to boost your overall health, there are a few things you need to know as well as how to improve turmeric bioavailability. Turmeric's key nutrient isn't easy to absorb. Curcumin is the active compound you want to absorb from eating turmeric. However, a big problem with turmeric is that curcumin isn't easily absorbed. Various animal and clinical studies reveal that the concentrations of curcumin in blood plasma, urine, and peripheral tissues, if detectable at all, are extremely low regardless of dosage size. And low absorption rate will not give you the health benefits of this medicinal food. To maximize the effectiveness of the turmeric you're eating, always make sure to do these three things. 1. Activate turmeric by heating it up. 2. Boost turmeric's absorption by 2000% by combining it with some freshly ground black pepper. 3. Mix turmeric with a healthy fat to bypass the liver. Subscribe to our channel below for new videos weekly. Get all the doable stuff you need to live better naturally, sent to your inbox. Sign up for the Daily Health Post newsletter at www.dailyhealthpost.com.